Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Sohail Khan. I'm Cisco certified trainer. Okay, and today in this video, I'm going to show you extended access list and how to block one host to telnet R2 router. Okay, and this is our topology. So in this topology, I'm going to show you the practical. Okay, so this practical is very much important. So don't forget to watch the video till the end, because in this video each and everything is very much important from security point of view. And second thing is, uh, like if you are a new subscriber, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. And this is lecture number 17 and how to watch the remaining parts of the video. So just go to YouTube and type CCN expert. This is my channel name, because if you want to be an expert, learn from expert. Okay, so when you come to my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the notification. And in the playlist, you will see all the videos. This is new CCNA I'm creating for you guys. Here you will get Python programming, CCNA, CCNP, each and every video I'm making for you guys. So please subscribe the channel. Okay. And for online training, you can contact me. This is my contact detail. Now let's start the video without wasting any time. So what is my requirement? My requirement is, this is the host 30001, and I want that this host is not able to telnet R2 router. Now how to telnet, what is the basic criteria of telnet? This I have shown in my previous video 15, 16 and 17 lecture, and in this video I'm trying to show you how to block telnet. So I want this computer is able to ping R2 router, but this computer are not able to telnet R2 router. So I want to block the telnet service for the specific host, which is 30001. Alright. So let me show you first whether this computer is able to telnet or not right now. So before the telnet, first try to check whether this computer can ping to the R2 router or not. So in this scenario, the R2 router is having a three interface 40, 50 and 20. So I will check on all the three ports. Okay, so let's check ping 20.00.10. Okay, so 20.00.10 is pinging. Ping 40.0.0.2, it is also pinging. Ping 50.0.0.1, it is also pinging. So like from this host, every interface of R2 router is pinging, right? Now let's check that telnet. All right, telnet, and you can give any IP. Okay, you can give any IP from these three IP, which is 40.0.0.2, 50.0.0.1 and 20.0.0.10. You can give any IP address. So in this scenario, I am giving telnet 20.0.0.10. See, it is asking for the password, the VTY password, which I have shown you in my previous practical. So the password is Cisco. See now, I am entering into the R2 router. Now I can do anything. I can change anything about R2 router. This I have shown in the previous video. So what I want is, I want to block the telnet service for this particular host, but this particular host can able to telnet. All right. So now how to do this? So using extended access list, I'm going to do this. All right. So please watch the video till the end, because everything is important. I'm going to teach you from very scratch with every meaning and all. Okay. Password is Cisco. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. All right. Now I'm into the global configuration mode of R2 router. So here I'm going to create one extended access list to block the host 30001. So what I will do? All right. So I will tell the router, hey router, I want to create an access list which is number is 110. Now why the number is 110? Because in this scenario I am trying to blocking the service. So if you want to block the service, so in that case we use extended access list. All right. So extended access list number is from 100 to 199. So I can give any number between 100 to 199. So that is why I'm giving 110. All right. So it means I'm telling the R2 router that, hey R2 router, I want to create an extended access list. So router will say, okay, but what you want to do with this access list? So I will tell that, hey router, I want to deny someone. So router will say, okay, I will deny for you, but to whom you want to deny? So I will tell that I want to deny the TCP protocol, because Telnet is an application of TCP. So you have, in extended access list, you have to mention each and everything, because extended access list filter the packet on the basis of source IP, destination IP, protocol, port number. So each and everything you must be mentioned here. Okay. And if your theory part is not clear, and if you want to learn CCNA, you can contact me for online training worldwide. All right. So here, so deny TCP protocol, which is coming from host 30001 and going for host 200010, because I have to deny all the three network from this host. So I have to mention all the three network. Okay, so it means deny the host 30001 if it try to come to 20010. EQ means equivalent to 23. What is this 23? 23 is the port number of telnet. So here you have to mention the port number. So what is the meaning of this command? I'm telling the router that create an extended access list and deny TCP protocol if the packet is coming from host 30001 and going to 20010. If it try to telnet, then only block it. Okay. Plus in next line I have to mention the another one also, like if it try to came to 40002, then also block 30001. If 30001 try to telnet 50001, all right, then also please block. If it try to telnet, not ping, he this computer is able to ping your router. Okay, now after writing the deny thing, you have to return the permit thing. Access list 110 permit IP any. Now here, as compared to standard access list, I am writing any two times, plus additionally I am writing giving command IP. So IP command I am giving for TCP, and this two times any, one for destination and one for source, because in extended access list I have mentioned the source also and destination also. So you have to give two times any. So now I have created the extended access list, but hey, where to apply this? Where to apply this extended access list? Because on my R2 router I have three ports. So where to apply this? So it is very simple. Extended access list is apply the port which is close to foreign host. It means what? It means like 30001 is nearest to this port, right? So I'm going to apply on serial 0 slash 3 slash 1, which is this port. If I am blocking this 10 network, then I will apply on this port. Because I'm applying to 30 network, I want to block the 30 network particular host, so I will apply here. Because the rule of extended access list is, please apply the extended access list on the port which is very close to foreign host. So I will go on my serial port, all right, which is interface serial 0 slash 3 slash 1, which is this port, all right, and IP access group 110 for all incoming packets, because you can apply access list for incoming or for outgoing interface. So I'm calling it for incoming packets. Okay. So now if I check whether this access list is created or not, so command is show access list. Alright. So now the extended access list is created. So now what will be the output? So the output will be, if I try to ping from this computer to R2 router, then it is able to ping but not able to telnet. Okay, so now let's check. I'll go to this computer. Alright, I'll go to this computer. Now what happening is, okay, and I try to ping first. Ping 200010. Yeah, the ping is coming, reply is coming for the ping. But if I try to telnet 200010, see, it is not able to telnet. So this is how, with the help of extended access list, you can deny the services. Alright. Now this is about the applying access list and denying service for. Okay. But what about this computer? This computer is able to ping also and telnet also. So let's check. I'll go to second PC, ping 200010. Yes, it is pinging. And let's check telnet 200010. Yeah, the telnet is also working with this computer. So in this case I have shown you how to block a particular host, which is 30001, to telnet R2 router. In my next video I'm going to show you how to block whole 30 network. All right. And and the most important thing, you have applied this thing right now. How to remove this? So it is very simple. Just go to config mode and just write only one statement: access list 110. Sorry, no access list 110. So this command removes the access list from your router. Now let's check. Show access list. See, nothing is showing. And now if I try to telnet from this host, then I'm able to telnet. Earlier it was not able to telnet. Now it is. Yeah, see. Now this computer is able to telnet. So this is how you can apply the access list, and this is how you can remove the access list. Okay. So if this video is helpful for you, please subscribe the channel and please share with your friends. And for online training, this is my contact detail. You can contact me. You can WhatsApp me. It will be a live online training on Skype for CCNA, CCNP and Python programming. I give 100% expertization guaranteed. Alright. So thanks for watching my channel and thanks for subscribing. Thanks.